Okay, press play.
Okay, so just ride slowly in the front so we can get some footage of us.
Okay, John.
Sure. Okay, then.
And that's recording, so you're going to
I'm
hear
not
me
gonna go
ordering
behind
teeth
him.
around.
No, I'm not doing it.
Hey?
Yeah, Cindy.
Well, it's down now, so that's going to be a
Do
nice
you know
angle.
Cindy got her breath back?
Okay, we can go.
Let's have some fun.
Yeah, now we can
Cool. Well done. Well done.
Definitely, eh?
Okay. Sorry. I'm on 103%. Oh. Woohoo! Phew, that was gorgeous. Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah, it was awesome, hey?
so flowy, I love it.